Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. We shall see the process of, as an employee, how to add/edit communication details to the system. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Click on your name link. Choose Communication from left-hand side menu. Click on Edit button. Add/edit the details using the form and save. This information will go to HR for approval. If it is in blue color, it means the changes that you made, not accepted by HR. When HR will accept the changes, blue color will turn into yellow. As per your company policy, HR may ask proof of the details that you entered here before accepting that.